Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect medium-rare ribeye steak, step by step. First, select a quality ribeye, ideally about 1 1/2 inches thick. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a good sear. Then, season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Let your seasoned steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before you start cooking. Next, let's get that beautiful crust. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You're looking for a deep, golden brown crust to form on both surfaces before moving on. Now, we'll finish it in the oven to reach that perfect medium rare. Transfer your seared steak to a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part, avoiding any bone. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 125 degrees Fahrenheit. This usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on your steak's thickness, so keep an eye on it. Finally, the most important step for a juicy steak: resting. Remove the steak from the oven and transfer it to a cutting board. Tent it loosely with foil and let it rest for a full 10 minutes before slicing. Resting allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Slice against the grain into 1/2 inch thick pieces and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.